with a favorite Humble Riches. Gates open, they're up and racing. Alpha Alianza draws for your lead. Moving up is the favorite Humble Riches together with Kogaralas. Going west is racing in fourth, down in P, Pure Grace, Fairwind, and Lorkis Tower is running at the tail of the field past the 900 meters post with Humble Riches in command by about 2 lengths. Kogaralas running by the rail, racing in third on the outside is Alpha Alianza. Going west is racing in fourth by about 12 lengths from the leader. Then running on the outside, Pure Grace, Fairwind, and Lorkis Tower still bringing up the rear as the action turns for home. It's still Humble Riches by about 6 lengths. Alpha Alianza, Kogaralas is by the rail. And down the stretch they come. It's still Humble Riches by about 7 lengths. Alpha Alianza is still in second. Moving up on the outside is Pure Grace. And with 75 meters of the race, the third leg, Juvenile Philly Stakes, belongs to Humble Riches. Then comes Alpha Alianza, Pure Grace, Going west, Kogaralas, Fairwind, and